Okay, so I am giving you a different approach to 2.8 practice challenge number 2. We did this one earlier today, and it's the boundary line has a slope of 4, and it passes through the point -1, 8. The points on the boundary are not solutions. So boundary is going to be dashed. We know that much. The last thing we know is that the point -5, 6 is not a solution. So I'm going to run through the math here till we get to this thing here, which is a little bit of a mind bender and sometimes a little bit difficult to grasp, but when I was talking with a couple students after school today, we came up with a better way to approach it. So I'm going to first find the equation of my boundary line using my slope and a point. So I'm going to use the point slope form because I have the slope and a point. So I'm going to go y minus 8 is equal to 4 times x minus -1. Y minus 8 is equal to 4x plus 1. Not plus 4, sorry. Let's just do this a little bit more slowly so I don't confuse myself, let alone anybody else. Y minus 8 is equal to 4 times x plus 1. Y minus 8 is equal to 4x plus 4. So this would have been perfectly fine as my point slope form, but in order to make it an inequality, I need to have my y isolated. So it's y, I'm going to add 8 to both sides, is equal to 4x plus 12. Now, I'm told up here that the point -5, 6 is not a solution. So I'm going to write it here, -5, 6, not. I know that this is the equation of my boundary line. So, my inequality, I only have 2 choices for my inequality. It's either going to be y is less than 4x plus 12, or it's going to be y is greater than 4x plus 12. Well, I've already been told that the boundary line is itself not part of the inequality solution, so that's why I know it's not less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. But it's got to be one of these 2 choices. So I know that -5, 6 is not going to work, so I'm going to try it in both of these. Well, 6 less than 4 times -5 plus 12. 6 less than -20 plus 12. 6 less than -8. Let's do the other side, just so you can see what I'm talking about here. 6 greater than 4 times -5 plus 12. 6 greater than -20 plus 12. 6 greater than -8. So my point works right here. 6 is in fact greater than -8. But I have been told that this is not a solution. So if it works here, but I know that it's not a solution to my inequality, then this one is wrong. And that only leaves this one as being the possibility for being right. That might make it a little bit easier to approach it than just trying to figure it out in your head. You know, it doesn't work here, so it's the opposite point. This is a little bit more direct.